Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set an Outlook reminder. Alright, ensure that you already have your account properly set up for you to carry out these tasks. Now to get your account set up, just head on to click on create an account and then create your Outlook account by going through all of the navigation process that will be needed for you to set up your account. Ensure that you have your email address, phone number, password, and all of the necessary information that you would know would be required of you to get yourself properly signed in. And when you're signed in, you would head over to a platform that looks like this, which is what your Microsoft homepage looks like, your Microsoft Outlook homepage looks like. Now, to show you how to set your Outlook reminder, you can achieve that in two ways. Either you set a particular reminder for an email or you set a reminder for a calendar event. Now, to set an Outlook reminder for an email, just head over to the particular email you want to set that reminder for. Now, from your inbox, all right, when you've done that, when you've opened the mail, right click on the particular email you want to set a reminder for, go through the option of follow up, and then select add reminder. In the pop-up window, set a particular due date and time you want to set a reminder for that mail, and when you're done, choose a flag to start if needed and then click on OK, and you would be able to set automatically a reminder for that particular Outlook mail. Do not forget to alert that particular reminder to be set for a particular time. All right, another way you can set your reminder is for a particular calendar event. How you want to achieve that is head over to calendar, which is at the second option at the left side of your PC. You will see the option calendar. Click on that, create a new event, click on new events, and then you can create a new event by typing the title of the event. All right, then add the invitees you want to, and then you can head over to here. This is where you can create a reminder, where you have the option 15 minutes before at the top. As you can see my cursor on my screen, click on the drop down menu and then pick whichever one you want to choose over here. Let's say 30 minutes before. Categorize them, just go through all of this setup process, and when you're done, click on save, and that particular reminder has been set. So this is how to simply set an Outlook reminder to remind you of different activities, different daily activities, so that you do not forget and all of your meetings are in tune and nothing is lacking. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.